Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Douglas Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan. Been here now 4 or 5 times in the past, once virtually and quite a few in person. Home of the Kicking Mules, part of the Bedford Public School District. And today we really focused on positivity for the assemblies, all grades K through 5, and being our best self. That ties into being our Bedford best as well, showing that kindness, that responsibility, and that respect, but also having that, character to really start to believe in ourselves and to hopefully, really be that belief system in other people around us. And so it's easy to be positive on days like today where the sun is shining. Beautiful day here in Michigan, great weather. But on days when it's not, when it's kind of cloudy, kind of muggy out, sort of not the best conditions, sometimes we can't always maintain that positive mentality. It's not as easy, but we still always have a choice, right? And if there's storms outside or in our hearts, something going on here at school or at home, a tough situation, those are opportunities that can make us stronger if we let them. And so we know that when things get rough, that's why I have this shirt for this assembly, that we can always keep our head up to keep persevering, keep pushing. The words are upside down on purpose because if you're feeling sad or looking down, it says keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. And always knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or it's giving up, right? Even if we fail, we're not a failure. Even if we make a mistake, that, we aren't a mistake. To know that true excellence, it's not always about being the best or being perfect every time. It's just about doing your best, right? That if we can still keep pushing and keep having that effort, that's all that really matters, And then if we really plant these positive thoughts in here and really focus on positivity, usually 8, 9, maybe 10 times out of 10, we're going to get the results that we want in our life. And so I really tried to have the students kind of think about, any negative beliefs they have about themselves or thoughts, and start to reverse that script and start to focus more on the positivity, right? To step into what you want to believe, right? And to make that a healthy habit. And then once we have that, you start seeing how your life becomes more positive overall. And the students really did take that to heart, and they understood, what it means to work hard, what it means to, really do your best by helping others, by asking for help if you need it, and by encouraging others too, that we can be that light to someone's heart. And that ties into what I bring up in all my assemblies. It's so important, but the fact that we are all true miracles, right? I traced my hand. Some of the students had theirs traced too, but with the lines on our hand, we all have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects, they have at least one in each hand. And that M, I say, stands for miracle. Upside down W's for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart. Start to make this world an even kinder place by being first kind to our mind, to our heart, and then to others. So thanks for touching my heart. Great to see all of you again. Hope to see you again in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.